Hello, my wonderful learners. Welcome to day 12 of your 30-day English shadowing challenge. 12 days of consistent practice. That's something to celebrate. If you've missed any day, don't worry. The playlist link in the description is always there, so you can catch up at your own pace. This journey is about progress, not perfection. Today's topic is health and feeling good. We'll practice sentences to talk about how you feel, describe health problems, visit the doctor, and share healthy habits. These sentences are very useful in real life because health is important for everyone. Let me start with a short story about my own health experience. Last winter, I caught a cold. I felt tired and had a sore throat. I went to the doctor. Doctor, how are you feeling today? I feel a little sick. I have a sore throat and a cough. Do you have a fever? Yes, I think so. The doctor gave me some medicine and said, please rest, drink water, and take this medicine. I said, thank you, doctor. After a few days, I felt better. I learned that good sleep, healthy food, and regular exercise are very important for health. Today, we'll practice sentences like these so you can talk about your health and daily well-being in English. Listen first, then repeat after me 2 times. Copy the rhythm and tone. Speak out loud. Your voice is your practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep moving forward. Are you ready? Let's begin the shadowing sentences. Here, the shadowing practice sentences. You can pause for practice. Sentences 1 to 10. I feel healthy today. I feel healthy today. I am tired this morning. I am tired this morning. I need more sleep. I need more sleep. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. I eat fruits and vegetables. I eat fruits and vegetables. I do exercise in the morning. I do exercise in the morning. I take a walk every evening. I take a walk every evening. I feel strong and active. I feel strong and active. I go to bed early at night. I go to bed early at night. I wake up with good energy. I wake up with good energy. Great start! You're building strong and healthy English sentences. Let's keep going. Sentences 11 through 20. I have a headache today. I have a headache today. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I have a cough and a cold. I have a cough and a cold. I feel sick and weak. I feel sick and weak. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. The doctor gives me medicine. The doctor gives me medicine. I take the medicine with water. I take the medicine with water. I rest at home when I am sick. I rest at home when I am sick. I get better after some days. I get better after some days. I say, thank you, doctor. I say, thank you, doctor. Excellent work! You're practicing how to explain health problems clearly. Ready for the last part? Sentences 21 through 30. I eat healthy food every day. I eat healthy food every day. I drink enough water. I drink enough water. I do yoga or stretching. I do yoga or stretching. I take care of my body. I take care of my body. I take care of my mind. I take care of my mind. I feel happy when I am healthy. I feel happy when I am healthy. I visit the doctor once a year. I visit the doctor once a year. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. I wear a mask when I am sick. I wear a mask when I am sick. I say, health is wealth. I say, health is wealth. Brilliant! You just practiced 30 sentences about health and daily well-being. Well done! You've completed day 12 of the 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. Today, you practiced useful sentences for staying healthy, visiting the doctor, and keeping your mind and body strong. Here's a tip. Try using these sentences in real life. For example, if you feel tired, say, I need more sleep. If you're at the doctor, practice saying, I have a sore throat. The more you use English in daily situations, the faster it becomes natural. And don't forget, if you missed any earlier lessons, the playlist link is in the description so you can catch up anytime. If you found today's lesson helpful, please like this video, comment with one healthy habit you do every day, and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's practice. Tomorrow we'll continue with day 13, talking about weather, a fun and very common topic in everyday English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep smiling. You're doing great! See you tomorrow!